Yo guys, and welcome to today's video. Well, today we are going to do a modification to the BMW for the first time that is practical, not just visual or performance wise, but finally a practical modification, and it's about the boot. So if you know, we have three buttons on our keys, one to open and one to close, but the third one is to open the tailgate. But if you press that one, yeah, you hear an unlocking noise, but nothing happens. You still have to do this to open the tailgate. And in my opinion, that's pretty pointless on this car, because if your car is just unlocked and you want to open the gate, you have to do the exact same thing. You just have to unlock the car by yourself, but you just have to do the same thing. Maybe it's handy if you only want to unlock the boot and not the front, so you don't want people to steal from your car, but that's really the only thing when this key comes in handy. So in the 16 months I have owned this car, I barely pressed that key. That's just the way it is. But now we are going to change that, because we are going to do a modification to the car that will make the use of that button a little bit more important. So yeah, what are we going to do? Well, a good friend of mine actually designed like a little spring. I'm not 100% sure how it works, but I'm on my way to him right now, and now we will see better how it works. But he designed a little spring, and as soon as you press that button on your key that unlocks your boot will go open automatically, and that is way more handy than just unlocking. And then people say that you have those kits available. You can buy that already on other sites, but the thing is, those kits tend to make your boot go a little bit, not right anymore. So the needles and stuff, the space between your boot and your car after a few weeks will not be even anymore. So that's what they tend to do, and that's why a lot of people are critical about them. But this one is designed differently, and don't ask me how or what did he do. He can maybe tell later in the video, but he did something differently, and at his kit it doesn't happen. So that's a good thing, because we have people who are driving with that on their F20 for about a few years right now, and still works perfectly. So that's what we are going to do, and then we will add a little bit of functionality to the car. Okay, so now we have finally the option. Look at this. Ta-da! So what is the modification that we done? Well, it's actually these little two bars, and they make the the boot go open when they are unlocked. There is a little spring in here which puts pressure. I don't know how it exactly works, but it puts pressure on this pump, and then it opens up. They have kits for this, but I don't like these because they tend to make your boot go a little bit more sideways, stuff like that. But this really works very well. I know people who have this for a few years, and it works perfectly on their boot. The only thing is, my pumps are actually 7 years old already, so the thing is that they don't open up that powerful, and now the sun is shining really hot on them, so they're a little bit warmer, and the boot will go open automatically. But on a colder day like yesterday in the evening, they couldn't open automatically. So what I'm gonna do is I have ordered stronger pumps, and then it will open in any situation. But yeah, it's a cool little neat feature when you are going shopping and you want your boot to open, and you're just like, oh shit, my hands are full, and up you press this button, and like you see, now it's stuck. So that's why I'm ordering the more powerful pumps. But like you see, now it just opens up. So, and also my boot is a little bit more heavy because of the spoiler and this. So yeah, you know, it's a cool little handy feature. It's you know, it was only 30 euro. So and it looks, I mean, if you didn't know it, you wouldn't even notice it. So yeah, it looks pretty cool, pretty nice, and I would say it's a cool upgrade for the car. Anyway, tell me what you think about the boot modification. Like I said, I like it a lot. I mean, it's just ta-da, and it opens up. Like I said, I'll need to get the stronger pumps because this is no sight. It worked good for once, and then, you know, it only works when it's like 30 degrees with these pumps. So if you have an older F20, then you will probably 9 out of 10 need to replace the pumps, but they are like 40 euro for two, so it doesn't really matter that much. So it's a cool little upgrade that really makes your car feel more modern, and you know, it's an easy install, and it's also easily removed if you don't like it. So yeah, thanks for watching anyway, and I'll see you guys very soon. And also, if you want this modification, contact me because I know the guy who sells these very well, and we can make something out. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.